Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the lighting on ROG Harpe's AIM Lab edition. To adjust the lighting, go to lighting section up here, then you can turn the lighting off. You can see that it stops lighting up, or you can turn it on and you can change it to static. So in the static mode, you can change the color yourself to like any that you may want. Just like that. And click on OK. You can change the LED brightness. Like that. You can also change to different effect, like breathing. Here you can also change the color, the brightness, and you can see that the light is breathing. You can also set it to a color cycle, so it will use all colors and just like in a cycle. You can also set it to reactive, so it will react to your clicks or anything, or scrolling. Or you can set it to battery mode, so it will show you the battery level. And you can also reset these settings by clicking on reset, then OK. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.